Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? This is Kamal with you. Our we are going to discuss English Fast Part Class 10. Okay, let's enjoy video. You have to enjoy the video and you have to understand what we are going to discuss for today's class. Okay, let's enjoy. Okay, very good. Can you guess our today's topic? Can you guess? Okay, very good. Yes. Our today's topic is International Mother's Language Day. Another important passage for our exam. Please try to give attention. If you give attention, you will get pros and cons of the text. Unit 3, Lesson 3. Okay. Now we shall discuss in brief. There are two parts. Today we will discuss part 1 in brief. Okay. It was name of the student become Shohid Salam Rafiq Barkat Shofiur Jabbar. What kindled the spark of independence movement? Answer will be language movement. Next, when language movement happened? It was in 1952. The seed of language movement was shown 21st March 1948. Declared Urdu as state language by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The movement reached its climax in 1952. Defied the law by the student of Dhaka University. It is the main portion of the text. Now, let's learn some word meaning. There is a table. We have to match the meaning from left one and right one. Okay, try yourself very quickly. Have you tried? Okay, good. Now we should match the meaning of left side with right side. Okay, main word tribute, Next, climax, outlaw, defy, provoke, relent, momentum. Now meaning. Tribute means an act of show, to show respect or admiration. Climax means the most exciting point in time. Outlaw, to ban. Defy means to refuse to obey. Provoke means the act of keeping increasing or developing. Relent, to give in. Momentum, to cause or stimulate. Next, we have some question. Now our first question, what do we have observed 21st February as International Mother's Language Day? Why do we observe? Our answer, we observe 21st February as International Mother's Language Day to pay tribute to the martyrs worldwide. It means that it is observed now all over the world to show respect to the martyr of language movement. Our next question, why did the government outlaw all sorts of public meeting and rallies? Answer, the government outlawed all sorts of public meeting and rallies to stop the movement. We know that there was a movement or a protest against the Jinnah's declaration. That's why the government outlawed all sorts of public meeting and rallies to stop the movement. Next, who defied the law and why? We know that the student of Dhaka University defied the law to protest the declaration of Jinnah. We know that Jinnah has declared Urdu will be the state language of Pakistan. That's why the student of Dhaka University defied the law and they protest for the declaration. Our next question, what happened when Urdu was declared as state language of Pakistan? We know that what happened. When Urdu was declared as state language of Pakistan, a storm of protest raised in eastern part of Pakistan. In East Pakistan, the people protest the declaration of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question number 5. The seed of independence was shown on 21st February in 1952. Do you agree with the comment and why? I think I have to say I am agree with the comment because the people of eastern part of the country could understand that East Pakistan will not give them their right. That's why the seed of independence was shown 21st February. After that they started struggle one by one and in 1971 the war of independence took place. Very good. So we have learned the text in brief. Then we have learned some important words, unknown words with the meaning Then we have learned we will be able to answer 5 questions. Please, you have to practice what we have learned for today. Thank you and stay home and wash your hand again and again. Thank you.